Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Can have this first bite. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julie, those who doesn't know me, and you are welcome again. Good to have you back. You're coming back. Welcome back. And today we're in the kitchen again. First, awesome. Welcome to Julie's kitchen. Julie's kitchen. Julie's kitchen. Julie's kitchen. Okay, so today we're going to bake. We're gonna bake something. So those who know me, I love semolina. I love semolina. I can eat semolina every day. Seriously, like every day. But today I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try and bake semolina cake. So these are ingredients you need to make semolina cake. So to make semolina cake, we're gonna start by mixing our ingredients together. So we're gonna start with pan. So we're gonna measure 1 cup, which is 250 millimeter. You can also use 1 glass if you don't have cup. So that's literally 1 cup. That's 1 cup. And then 2 cups of that. And then we're gonna need 1 cup of semolina. That's 1 cup. And then we need 1 cup of sugar. More sugar. Don't want to fill it too much. I'm gonna use like half, because too much sugar for 1 cup. So I'm gonna use like half cup. And then we're gonna stir it together. Stir it until it's smooth. Yeah, stir it is smooth. Okay. More. Then 1 cup of flour. 1 cup of flour. And then mix it till it's smooth. Stir it till it's smooth. That's it. And then next we're gonna put half cup of sunflower oil. We put half cup of sunflower oil. Then mix it till it's smooth as well. And next we're gonna mix half teaspoon of baking soda. This is half teaspoon. And you stir it. Stir until it's all smooth again. Now we're gonna divide our mixture. Okay, so next we're gonna divide our mixture into half. Then divide into half. And then I'm gonna put two tablespoons of the flour here. And mix it. Mix it. Stir it until it's smooth. Yeah. And then we take the second part. And put 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons. 2. And then we're gonna mix it, stir it. Stir until smooth. This is good. That's good. It smells good, man. It smells good. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay guys, just trying to create a design here. So now we're done with our design, so we're gonna put in the oven, bake it for 30 to 35 minutes on 180 degree. Let's go and put it in the oven now.
Wow!
Wow.
Oh my god!
Wow, calm down. Shh. Okay, Janita, calm down. You just kids making noise. They're excited about semolina cake. So we're gonna try and eat.
Hi guys!
Janita. There's the cake. Yeah, semolina cake, guys. Now we're gonna try. Excuse me, the kids just making noise. Okay, let's cut the cake. So the kids just making noise on the background. Oh, look, guys, see that? Ooh, this is cool. It's cool. Now it's time to taste. Time to taste semolina cake. So time to test, guys. Semolina cake is ready. Let's try. Let's try it together. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. And how this first bite. Mmm. Mmm. It's good. It's good, guys. You guys should try this recipe. It's really nice. Mmm. This is good. It's good. Wow. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is the end of the video. If you're gonna try this cake, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and then if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe and then share the video. God bless you. Bye.